Hello, good evening. What's your name?
My name is Hamim.
Well, Hamim, welcome to our program. Firstly, we want to know about yourself. So, introduce yourself.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamim. I am 15 years old. I am a student of class 9. I live in Chunarga. There are 4 members in my family. I am the younger son of my parents. My father's name is Harun and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Husniara and she is a homemaker. Ice cream is my favorite food. In my free time, I play cricket with my friends. Thank you so much. That's all about me.
Thank you, Hamim, and thanks for your time. See you next time and all the best.